gonna try out the Smith's hand knife. It's got some good flexibility on it. We had a prime specimen to test it out on. We have a nice Eelpout here that these gentlemen caught. So I'm gonna show you my way of doing it. There's lots of different ways to clean an Eelpout. This is just the way that I do it. It works pretty quick and it's pretty easy. So you come up here behind the head and then you find the back of it. You wanna make an incision behind the head down to about where this dark line is. So you make that incision down to there. I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna cut along what would be the backbone on this until you get past the belly to the tail, and then I'm gonna take all the tail meat. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this back strap right here and all the tail meat. There's really no meat to salvage up here. Some people try to do it, but there's not enough there for me to worry about. So you don't want to cut very far down, only about an inch. You get past the belly, then I'm going to go all the way through the fish. Bring it right down to the end of the tail. All right, and then come back, clean up this cut a little bit. Follow the rib cage down. Just like so. Then I'm going to come in, where I made the end of my 45 cut here, pick up on it a little bit, and just kind of bring that cut right back to where the tail is back there. So, cut along there. Just like that, back to where the tail cut was. Just like that. So now, you still have all the meat still on the skin. So here, when you're doing this, it's more of a sawing motion. So you're gonna get started. The knife is so sharp, it cut right through. And you're gonna get started. And then you can grab the skin and you literally just pull the skin and saw the meat right off. Just like that. That's half an Eelpout. It's boneless. There's quite a bit of meat actually on one of these. A lot of people just throw them away, but these are some of the best table fare up on the lake. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. You get a nice piece of meat like that, and there's not a whole lot left on here. That's how you clean an Eelpout with a nice Smith's knife.